We won a giveaway for a 7-day free camper van road trip. Our prize was the 6-berth deluxe motorhome, which came fully equipped with a stove, oven, fridge, and microwave. The van fits 3 double beds which can be converted into seating areas and can sleep up to 6 people. The motorhome was redeemable at any of their 6 locations across the country. So we decided there was no better place to spend the week than beautiful Tasmania. This is Sam's first time driving the big motorhome. How do you feel, Sam?
Ooh, now we're driving a dinosaur.
So Sam has officially parked. Now we're going to the city. We're gonna be sleeping in this parking lot overnight. The parking lot costs us $40. The Hobart Twilight Market. Market happens once a month. Beef and cheese empanada. It's like a fried taco. We're gonna go here next. The Salamanca fruit market. Tasmanian honey. Oh my god, they have Tasmanian smoked salmon. We're gonna get these truffle chips. Garlic bread took about 2 business days to come. We got gnocchi carbonara. Apparently this is a hit. It's $38. It better be good.
Is that mashed potatoes?
Yeah. And then we got tiramisu. Can you guys believe that it's almost 7 p.m.? We just like stumbled across a market. They have adobo. It looks nice. Unfortunately, we're extremely full. Paella. They have skewers. We're officially at the Salamanca market. It's so cold. This is the first view of the Salamanca market. They have Tasmanian roasted coffee. We're getting a hot chocolate from this place. This looks so good. This is a very famous scallop pie place. We're in like a nice little town right now. To the Tasmanian Lavender Company first. This is so pretty. We're at a famous bridge. This bridge is the vibe. This is our next stop. It's called czegs. This might be the best cake I've had in my whole life. It tastes like soft graham crackers with like the best cream ever. The best part about staying in a camper van is ow! I hit my head on camera. The best part about staying in a camper van is like anytime you get tired of driving, you can just go to the back and lay down. We've reached the next stop, which is a berry farm. The best part about living in a motorhome, you can change whenever you want, you can sleep whenever you want, and you never have to stop to take a bathroom break. You're gonna get some fish and chips now. Look at how good this salmon sashimi is. This looks so good. This fish and chips is so good. Like, look at the texture of the fish. I had to get the salmon sashimi because I think I would have regretted it for the rest of my life. Look at the marbling on that fish. We're officially at the campsite and they gave us a manual map. So pretty. We're walking to the local restaurant now. We got some ginger beer from the market. Very gingery. The mushroom pizza. And Sam got the fish and chips. Oh my god, this pizza is so good. We're leaving the camper van park now. We're at our next stop. This is crazy. Have you guys ever seen anything like this? I haven't. The rocks are all red. Okay, we're gonna go eat a very famous lobster place now. It's called the Lobster Shack. This is the lobster roll, and then this is the lobster. It looks so delicious. Next huge thing, visit the bakery that potentially inspired Kiki's delivery service. Hot chocolate. This is the vanilla slice that we got. This is apparently the world's greatest vanilla slice. I've only ever had one other vanilla slice.
Tell him the other one's from your school cafe.
I mean, it's the best that I've had. This is a national engineering landmark. Apparently, this is the world's longest single chairlift. I feel like really unsafe with this seatbelt. It's like just a bar. Besides this, like the janky seatbelt situation, it's pretty nice. They even gave us a fun little postcard which comes with a map of the area. Now our next stop is a food truck that has a Raising Cane's like dupe. We brought our own gloves to eat, so don't hate, but the chicken tenders are so good. They're literally like the juiciest and best chicken tenders ever. And I know I always say that, but this time Sam actually agrees with me. If you hate paying for drinks at restaurants, get a camper van, because we bought this on the first day that we were here, and we've just been bringing it to every single restaurant. This is the walnut croissant. Walnut croissants may be overtaking almond croissants. We're at our next stop, which is a raspberry farm. All kinds of raspberry themed things here. Raspberry jam, raspberry syrup, raspberry bath bomb, raspberry moisturizer. They even sell raspberries here. You can even see the raspberry farm from here. The scones came, they're so warm. This is our white hot chocolate. Just across is Van Diemen's Land Creamery. This one seems super popular, the pepperberry and leatherwood honey ice cream. So this is the dark chocolate and lavender ice cream. I was really upset today because I wanted to stop by the lavender farm, but we couldn't. So I'm very happy that we get some lavender ice cream in today. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it kind of just tastes like chocolate ice cream. Tasmania is very motorhome friendly. They always have sections for like parking your caravan. That's how they make the cheese. This is the cheese storage. Now we're in a town that's famous for its murals. This whole town has like a bunch of murals painted all over the walls. I'll take you guys around and show you some of the murals that we see. This one might be my favorite mural. We've got settled into our lot. We're just gonna do a short hike today before eating dinner. It's so pretty. Sam spotted some wombat poop. Ew. So dinner today is going to be very exciting. We brought this shin ramen from Brisbane. We're going to eat that in this nice little gold pot with some steak. Brought our steak seasoning from Brisbane. Okay, we ordered so much food. We got this fudge sundae, a small fry, a medium fries, a hot honey McSpicy, an iced almond oat latte, a 24-piece McNugget. We have the new hot honey sauce. We're going on another chairlift today. Look at how steep this chairlift is. I feel much safer with this chairlift situation though. Really? This one has like a legit bar that you can pull down. You can also hike up this, but I don't know why you would ever do that. Look how steep this is. Like, just imagine just walking up this whole trail. Yeah. We're officially on the top of the nut. Where we're eating, Percy Seafood. There's a giant crayfish on the top. This is the crayfish. Half of this was $95. Isn't that crazy? If you want to get the whole one, it's $185. Got the fire running in the camper van. Our instant noodles and our leftover chicken nugget. From where we're free camping, you can see the net. Look at how crazy the view is. This town that we're in right now is called Penguin. The whole town is penguin themed, and apparently like there's a lot of penguins that wash up onto shore here. You can buy strawberries from a vending machine here. The ice cream is huge and they like freshly pressed it themselves. The ice cream is like the best thing ever. Okay, now we're getting fish and chips. We got the battered fish and chips. The fish looks so good. I just found out that gummy isn't a fish, it's a shark. Our next stop is a chocolate cafe and factory. We're back in Launceston. We're back at this food truck that we went to a couple days ago. I don't lie, guys. When I said that that's the best fried chicken that we've ever had, I meant it because we're going back again today. Look at how good that looks. We got salmon sashimi, aburi salmon roll, and tempura oyster, which I've never had before. We have a long drive ahead of us, but some exciting stops on the way. We're at czegs again. This is the hot chocolate, $9 hot chocolate. Pretty sure you can share one. That's what we got. It's like a cheese egg dip. We kind of just paid $24 for mushroom soup with eggs, but